Hello everyone. Yesterday I taught you that when characters talk it is called dialogue. I also showed you how to change your voice when you read what the characters are saying in a book. Today I'm going to teach you how to describe characters. When I am reading a book and I see a character, I usually notice what that character looks like and what the character is doing or feeling. When I notice these things, I can use them to tell about or describe that character. Let's take a look at this character map that I made. Now, first of all, does anybody recognize the character in the middle of this character map? That's right, it's me. So I pretended that I was a character in a book, and I thought about how I might describe myself as a character. So I started with things that I noticed about how I look. I have brown hair, I'm short, I'm wearing a white dress in this particular picture. Okay. I also have short hair in this picture, which I don't have anymore. I also thought about how I feel, and I can look at this picture and I see the smile on my face, so I'm going to think that I am probably feeling happy. And I thought about some of the things that I might do in a story, and I thought those were pretty funny, so I used that as another describing word for myself. Okay. Now, I want you to think about the characters in Chicken Little that we've been talking about, okay? I want you to think specifically about Chicken Little himself. There he is, right there. Okay? I want you to take a look at this picture, and then I want you to think about how would you describe Chicken Little to someone who's never read the book or who's never seen a picture of a Chicken Little. So your assignment for today attached to your Seesaw account is called Describing Characters. And it says, look at the picture of Chicken Little attached to this assignment. Think about words you could use to describe or tell me about Chicken Little. Is he purple? Is he happy? Is he funny? Make a recording telling me your describing words. We will display our words as a class using a word cloud. Remember to add an assignment to your Seesaw. You're going to tap the add button, tap the mic, record your describing words, and then tap the check to complete your assignment. Good luck, and again, have fun.